whether it is with infrastructure, which is cloud, on-demand. On-demand used to be the private cloud for big companies in earlier days. Now, fortunately, unfortunately, it is cloud, on-demand, and on-premises. So how do you balance your skill set around those? And lastly, I would also say that don't live in the comfort zone of what you learned 10 years back and you have been accoladed with. You can actually live with that. So come out of the comfort zone. This is a new era of testing that is about to come up.
I think that was about 5 big things, wasn't it?
Yeah, I did cover in my presentation as well. I think there are 4 trends in IT industry which we as testers also need to be aware of. One is mobility, which is kind of covered here. Social media, I think all of us have a Facebook or some of you have a Twitter account. I think this is here to stay and we all know about it. And then cloud computing, that is, it was initially considered as a, what is it, more of a, ASP came in and people said, is it another hype? But it's not a hype, it's going to be staying here. And you are having people offering services on cloud in the testing space. And the 4th for us is the big data. I think the first 3 of them have come out of the hype cycle and they're here to stay, and you can say. But what is, I think, still to be tested is the big data one, and there significant investments are happening. Whether it is still a hype, we have to take into consideration. But that's where, as a testing community, we need to do research. That's where we have to. Yeah.
Thank you. Sir.
According to me, there are 3 things. One is from a domain perspective. I think there are a lot of cloud, but so cloud and cloud interoperability. So there are a lot of public clouds and private clouds. So as testers, I think we need to come with smarter solutions which can test cloud and cloud interoperability. The second one is how will you ensure that the software works on multiple screens? So it's not just mobile. I think we are getting into multiple screens. It can be your mobile or your tablet.